Hello to my crafty creators. Today I will be making an ashtray, but I want to mimic this coaster that I made. Um, I made this yesterday and I was gonna actually give you the video to it, but I kind of didn't fully love it. So today I'm just gonna make the ashtray mimicking these colors. Okay, I am back. Now, let me tell you what all I've used. I've got the Piñata Santa Fe red. I've got the Piñata white, and I've also used just a drop of the Castin Craft white. I've also used Artesia Bubble Bath pink, and I think that is all that I have here that I've used. And I'm just gonna let a few of them go around in there. Not to mention, this ashtray has a duzzy in it, and I think that it would give the ashtray itself a nice touch. I'm not gonna add a lot of these in here. I just want a little bit. So can I get that in there? This might be a little challenge for me, y'all. I think that should be enough. So I'm gonna pour a little in, going all the way around. So I think that's enough because actually I want to, I'm gonna go ahead and pour some more, because the way that I'm thinking about adding those other colors in, I'm just gonna take my my wood stick and just kind of jab different little areas. So let's see. I've got that in there, and I'm just gonna drizzle it here and there. I do want it to go all the way around, so. Let's see, can I take and kind of make some go down in it? I don't really want to stir it. I just want it to kind of blend a little bit together. Let me add some of this white. The white may help it out a little bit. You know, white drizzles down, it's heavier. I don't want it to look like a milkshake, but I do want it to have these colors in it some type of way. And I guess I'm just gonna keep layering. I better move this because I don't want my stuff to get messed up. What I do is I take little alcohol droppers and I transfer some into the smaller bottles so that I won't make a mess on my bigger bottles. There's my white there. Move that. So can I add a little of this red to float down in there some kind of way? Now I think I'm just gonna, I was gonna add a little bit of the, what do you call this stuff? Unicorn crushed crystal. I was gonna add some of that in there, but I think I'm gonna just leave it as it is. Hopefully that white just push everything back out. I'm gonna take it as it is, y'all. Let's go ahead and torch. Go ahead and torch. I don't want to do it too much because I don't want anything to burn, especially my duzzy insert. I want that to, because I can use that in coasters. So we'll be back when it's time to demold. Oh man, you all couldn't have see. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, I'm back. Ready to demold. Let's see what we got here. If you guys don't mind, take a moment to like, comment, or subscribe. Either or. It'll be helpful to me and help me get noticed around in the YouTube world. I really do appreciate it. Okay, now how am I gonna get my duzzy out? Okay, how am I gonna get my duzzy out? Oh my gosh, help. I've got to figure this out, guys. Hold on a minute. Okay, y'all, it took me like forever and I still don't have it all the way out yet, but oh, okay, it's out. But my goodness, it took forever. Now I'm trying to see if there's any damages to it. It don't appear to be any damages, but oh my gracious. But this is what it turned out to be like. So it's fine. No biggie. This is not as sparkly as I've seen some people's duzzies be, so I'm kind of curious to why mine isn't. Maybe it's because it looks like it's a matte or something. Maybe somebody should tell me if I need to coat it with something, or I don't know. I'm new to the duzzy stuff,